Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will discuss some incidence postulates and triangles. So let us start first with some postulates. Number 1, every line is a set of points and contains at least two distinct points. Contain at least two distinct points. First postulate is every line is a set of points and contains at least two distinct points. Number 2, if there are two distinct points, or two different points, then one and only one line can contain both the points. If there are two different points, then one and only one line can contain both the points. Number 3, a plane is a set of points and contains at least three non-collinear points. A plane is a set of points and contains at least three non-collinear points. Number 4, if there are three non-collinear points, then one and only one plane can contain all the 3 points. Number fourth postulate is, if there are three non-collinear points, then one and only one plane can contain all the 3 points. Number fifth is, if 2 points of a line lie in a plane, then every point of that line will lie on the same plane. If 2 points of a line lie in a plane, then every point of that line lies in the same plane. If 2 points of a line lie in a plane, then every point of that line will lie in the same plane. Sixth is, sixth postulate is, if 2 planes intersect, if 2 planes intersect, then their intersection is a line. If 2 planes intersect, their intersection is a line. And the seventh and last postulate is, a space contains at least 4 non-collinear and non-coplanar points. A space contains at least 4 or more, at least 4 non-collinear as well as non-coplanar points. These are some incidence postulates. Now we will discuss triangle. What is triangle? What is triangle? If there are 3 non-collinear points, in a plane, If there are three non-collinear points in a plane, then the union of line segments AB, BC and AC, AB, BC and AC. So, union of line segments, if there are three non-collinear points in a plane, then union of line segments AB, BC and AC is called a triangle. That is, a triangle is determined by union of three line segments in a plane determined by three non-collinear points. So, a triangle is a union of three line segments determined by three non-collinear points in a plane. So, you can define a triangle like this. A triangle is a triangle is a union of three line segments determined by three non-collinear points. So, a triangle is the union of three line segments determined by three non-collinear points in the plane. These points are called vertices of the triangle. The points A, B and C are called vertices of the triangle. Triangle. A, B, C are called vertices of the triangle, and line segments A, B, B, C and A, C are called sides of the triangle. And the line segments A, B, B, C and A, C are called sides of the triangle. An angle ABC and BAC and ACB are called angles of the triangle. Angles determined by the triangle, because angles is the union of two rays, but here these are line segments. So, these angles are determined by the triangle ABC. It is different from the definition of angle, because angle is the union of two rays, where these are segments. So, angle ABC, ACB and BAC are the angles of the triangle. Now, what is interior of the triangle? Interior of the triangle. The interior of the triangle. What is any interior of the triangle? the set of points of each of the angles of the triangle is called interior of the triangles. The set of points of each of the angles of the triangle is called interior of the triangle. For example, these points are in the interior of the triangle. And what is exterior of the triangle? Exterior of the triangle, exterior of the triangle. What is this? The set of points set of all points which are not in the interior of the triangle and also not on the triangle. Set of points in the plane of the triangle which are neither in the interior of the triangle or on the triangle. Exterior of the angle is set of points which are neither in the interior or on the triangle itself. When you put points here, these are exterior points of the triangle. So, set of points which are now not either in the interior or on the triangle itself, they are called exterior of the triangle. Now we will discuss what are the different types of triangles. Classification of triangles. What are the different types of triangles? Number one, a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle. What do you mean by a scalene triangle? A, B, C. When no two of its sides are congruent, then triangle is called a scalene triangle. When no of its two sides are congruent, then the triangle is called a scalene triangle. Then neither AB is congruent to AC or AB is not congruent to BC or AB is not congruent to BC. When no of the two sides of a triangle are congruent, then such triangles are called scalene triangles. Next is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? If any two sides of a triangle, are congruent, then triangle is known as isosceles triangle. Two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Any two sides are congruent, then triangle is called isosceles triangle. Next is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What is equilateral triangle? When all the three sides are congruent. When all the three sides are congruent, then triangle is called equilateral triangle. When all the three sides are congruent, then it is called equilateral triangle. all the three sides are congruent, then it is called equilateral triangle. Next is equiangular triangle. Equiangular triangle. When all the three angles are congruent. When all the three angles are congruent. Then it is called equiangular triangle. When all the three angles are congruent, it is called equiangular triangles. What is acute triangle? Acute triangles. Acute triangle. What is acute triangle? When all the angles are acute, means less than 90 degree. When all the angles are acute angle, when all the angles are acute angles, then it is called acute triangle. What is obtuse triangle? Obtuse triangle. What is called obtuse triangle? When one of the triangles, when one of the angle is obtuse, means more than 90 degree, then it is called obtuse triangle. When one of the angle is more than 90 degree, that is obtuse angle, then the triangle is called obtuse triangle. When one of the angles is obtuse, then it is called obtuse triangle. When one of the angles is obtuse, it is called obtuse triangle. What is right triangle? Right triangle. What is right triangle? When one of the angle is right angle, that is 90 degree. When one of the angle is 90 degree, it is called right triangle. When one of the angle is right angle, that is equal to 90 degree, then it is called right triangle. The side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. This is the side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. And the other two sides are called other two sides are called legs of the triangle. The side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse, and the other two sides are called legs of the triangle. Now we will discuss altitude, median and angle bisector. What is altitude of a triangle? Altitude of a triangle. What do you mean by altitude of a triangle? Altitude of a triangle is the line segment from any vertex of the triangle to the perpendicular line segment from any vertex to the opposite side of the triangle. For example, here AD is altitude of the triangle. AD is altitude of the triangle. ABC is the line segment from any vertex to the perpendicular line segment from any vertex to the opposite side of the triangle is called altitude. There are three altitudes in a triangle. There are three altitudes in a triangle. Now the point of intersection of the three altitudes is called orthocenter. Orthocenter of the triangle. There are three altitudes in a triangle and the point of intersection of the altitudes is called orthocenter of the triangle. For example, this is the this point O is orthocenter of the triangle. This point is orthocenter of the triangle. And what is median of the triangle? Median of a triangle. Median of a triangle. What is median of a triangle? This is a triangle ABC. Then median of a triangle is line segment joining any vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. For example, suppose this is the midpoint of side BC, then the line segment joining A and D will be median of the triangle. So what is median of a triangle? The line segment joining any vertex and the midpoint of the opposite side. For example, here line segment from vertex A to the midpoint of opposite side, that is BC, this is a D, then AD is the line segment, AD is the median of the triangle ABC. There are three medians of a triangle. There are three medians in a triangle, and the point of intersection of medians is called centroid. the point of intersection of medians is called centroid. Centroid of the triangle is called centroid. For example, here suppose this is the midpoint E and midpoint here is F, then this point is centroid. This is called centroid of the triangle. That is, point of intersection of medians of a triangle is called centroid of the triangle. Now, what is angle bisector of a triangle? Angle bisector of a triangle. Angle bisector of a triangle. What is the angle bisector of a triangle? This is triangle A, B, C. Suppose this is the bisector of angle A. AD is the bisector of angle A. This angle is equal to this angle. So, what is the angle bisector of the triangle? Is the subset of angle bisector of angle BAC. Angle bisector of a triangle is angle bisector of triangle is the subset of bisector of the bisector of the angle of a triangle. For example, this line segment AD is the subset of this ray, that is angle bisector of BAC. Bisector of angle BAC is the ray AD, and line segment AD is the bisector of angle A. So, line segment AD is the subset of ray AD. There are three angle bisectors. Three angle bisectors. There are three angle bisectors. Bisector for this angle is E, and bisector of this angle is F, C, F. This is the point of intersection O. So, there are three angle bisectors, and the point of intersection of angle bisector is called the point of intersection of the angle bisectors of a triangle is called Incentre. Incentre of the triangle, Incentre. This is called Centroid. So, point of intersection of the angle bisectors of a triangle is called Incentre. Why it is called Incentre? Because if you draw perpendicular on the any side from O and then draw a circle, it will touch all the sides. That is why it is called Incentre. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.